Hello guys and welcome to another Vegas Pro tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust the speed of any clip on Vegas Pro. First of all, what you have to do is to bring the clip you want to adjust the speed for into the timeline, just like this. Now, I want you to pay close attention. To adjust the speed in Vegas Pro, there are two options, or two approaches. The first approach is to hold Control on your keyboard and then drag the clip either back or forward. If you drag it back, that means you are creating a fast forward effect or increasing the speed. If you drag it forward, that means you are slowing the clip down or reducing the speed. So let's test it. This is the normal speed. Let's create a fast forward now effect by dragging it back. Let's check it now. Notice how the clip is fast forwarded now. And now let's test the slow motion by dragging it forward. Let's watch the video now. Notice how it's slowing down. Now this was the first approach. The second approach is to again bring your clip to the timeline and then right click on the clip, go to Insert/Remove Envelope and then Velocity. Click on Velocity. You will see this green bar appearing on your clip. Now if you bring it up, it means the velocity or speed is increasing, which creates a fast forward effect. If you bring it down, however, it will create the slow motion effect. Let's test it. This is the fast forward effect. Notice how the clip is running fast. And now let's test bringing it down to create the slow motion effect. Notice how the clip is so slow now. Another thing you can do is to create keyframes to adjust the speed accordingly. All you have to do is to either double click on the green bar to create a keyframe or right click on it and add a point. Now you can adjust this portion of the clip to make it either fast forward or slow motion. Let's add another point here. So this is fast and this is slow. And then we turn this back to the normal speed. Let's test it. By this, you will see now that our clip will start fast and then create a slow motion effect and then come back to normal speed. As you can see here. Fast, slow, and then normal speed. So yeah, this has been it guys for adjusting the speed of your clip on Vegas Pro. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.